I'm not going to go through that. Am I?
I don't know. Just don't drink any red wine. Watch the series to find out why.
My mom had terrible hot flashes. She still has them because she takes medication, but I mean, just pouring sweat. It would have to, excuse herself from restaurants sometimes and, events just because they were really, really awful. So I hope that doesn't happen.
Could you imagine, breaking out in, dribbles of sweat?
No, just,
in
it's
your
terrible.
food?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there are people who have to change their sheets.
Yeah.
In the middle of the night, they just drench their sheets, or in the middle of the day, they have to take an extra shirt to work, and then they have to change their shirts. I mean,
do men go through this too?
no.
This is called something.
No, they just buy a Corvette.
They just buy a Corvette. Oh my god.
So
We need
I was fascinated by how gaseous your characters are in menopause.
That's a very interesting point to bring up, Karen. Thank you. Yeah,
Belching.
Belching,
Spectacular belching.
It's
I love belching.
I don't know, the gastrointestinal tract gets affected with hormones. What can I say, and I've just been a belcher. I just belch now. I can't help it.
Do you belch like a truck driver?
I do. I'm belching now, and I belch like a truck driver. She just threw it this way. I know what
And she did.